Hello mga Mia, this is a raw vlog for Junghae in Pan Meeting, our time in Manila. Papasok na kami, nga pala may kasama akong bride. Tada! Tsaka may estudyante akong kasama.
Nag-cutting classes po ako. Hindi ako sinipot ng groom.
Nasa sa mo yung groom. Hello!
Junghae! 사랑해!
사랑 보던 미소에 내 가슴이 설레어만 가서 수록던 다시 적은 그 말 너를 향한 내 마음은 하나였다고 난 아직도 다 꺼내지 못한 말 널 처음부터 사랑해왔다고
opening. Hi everybody, welcome to the Chonghae in Our Time fan meeting in Manila. How happy are you that he's back? How does he get better looking? Oh my goodness, right? Yeah, my name is Sam Oh, I'm your host for tonight. I'm so happy to be here. Parang kailan lang, we were swooning over the guy in the poster, wearing the white cardigan with the warm gaze. And that warm gaze is back, but it's deeper. And it's complemented by a friend's kindness. So he officially opened the show with a song performance of The Truth. Are you ready to have him come back on the stage with us? Okay, let's call him back out. Let's make it more meaningful though. When I say jump, you say heyin, okay? Are you ready? All right, the son of our mom's friend that we always miss, our love next door, Chong. Come on out.
너를 사랑하고 있다고 모든 것을 내게 주고 싶다고
Welcome back to Manila. We are so happy you're here. Would you like to officially greet the Hainies here in the Philippines?
안녕하세요. 다시 마닐라에 제가 돌아왔습니다.
Hello guys, I have finally come back here in Manila.
마부하이 아까지 Kumusta kayo? Ang tagal natin di nagkita. Na-miss niyo ba ito? Na-miss ko rin kayo. 필리핀 레이디즈 여러분, masaya akong makita kayo ulit.
My gosh, I mean, you know, opening pa lang, hindi na ako makaget over. And we have, quite a show to go through. So let's start with this. Your show this year is called Our Time. What is the meaning of this title that you have?
네, 지금 Our Time이라는 타이틀로 팬미팅 투어를 하고 있는데 그동안 저희 팬미팅을 1년에 한 번 하잖아요. 그래서 떨어져 있는 시간 동안 각자의 시간을 보내다가 오늘만큼은 함께 보내는 시간을 가져서 Our Time으로 해봤습니다.
So I'm actually having a tour with a fan name title called Our Time is because we're actually having the fan meeting annually, right? So for the rest of the year, we're actually spending our own times, but today we're having our time together.
Well, I have a feeling this is going to be a more meaningful and happier time than ever. So let's get started. Let's go over here and start with our first segment. Yes, you can sit.
제가 러브 넥스트 도어를 보신 분들은 아시겠지만 자물쇠를 준비해 왔어요. 근데 여러분들의 고민에 대한 솔루션을 제가 여기 적어서 선물로 드리도록 하겠습니다.
So if you have guys actually watched the drama Love Next Door,
We did! Of course we did!
since you know where locks are actually coming in, so those concerns that you have, I'm going to write down in the lock the solutions, and I'm going to give you guys as a present.
They're so cute. Okay, let's get started. We'll get started with the Q&A first. Wala pa yung lock dito ha. So this is just Q&A. If you'd like to pick one, please go ahead. Over here. Yes, over here. Up to you.
Yung
Very
pink!
thoughtful siya. Talagang pinag-isipan.
Pink! 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 Yung pink! Yung pink! Sa baba! Pink! 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 Pink!
이거는 뭐 좌석을 안 적어주셔가지고 그냥 답변을 해드리면 오빠 크리스마스에 몇 시쯤 올 거예요? 아이언님이 적어주셨는데
Okay. Do you want to translate the question first?
Yeah,
Okay.
so there's no seat number, so I cannot actually call out, but you know it's from Ion, and the question is, Oppa, what time are you coming over on Christmas?
Ay.
그러니까 어디를? 어디인지가 안 나와 있어서
So there's no specific place where, so
제가 크리스마스 때 인스타 라이브 방송을 하기로 팬들과 약속을 했는데요.
I actually promised to have a Instagram live with my fans during Christmas.
제가 라이브 방송을 잘 안 하는 편이거든요.
Because I actually do not do, Instagram lives usually.
대략 저녁이지 않을까 싶습니다.
I guess it will be around evening.
Fair enough, fair enough. And you know, all of the Haineys can be with you Christmas Day, oh, diba? Pero
이고요.
So these are the uniforms that I wore while filming Love Next Door.
그리고 타임캡슐이 있거든요.
And you can see the time capsule here.
여기다가 제가 뭘 할지는 이미 여러분들 다 알고 있기 때문에 이따가 소중한 메모리를 남겨봐요.
So, the things that I'm gonna do later about this, I guess you guys are already aware of it. So, let's try to make a great memory later, okay?
그리고 이거는 최승효의 명함입니다.
And this is a calling card of Choi Seung-hyo.
of course, yes, your character on the show. Oh. It's so surreal, no? Parang like we were just looking at this stuff on the screen.
여기 그 전화번호가 적혀 있는데요.
And there's actually a phone number here.
여기 전화하시면 안 돼요.
You should not call to this number, okay?
Okay, but I mean, thank you so much for showing us these items. Again, it's so surreal because we were just enjoying this show on the screen and it's all here in the flesh.
근데 지금 하복만 한번 입어봐야겠다. 그래도.
Let me give it a try to wear the.
Oh wow, okay, so we're actually gonna see what he looked like on set with this uniform. Oh my goodness.
근데 이렇게 입으니까 교복 느낌이 아예 안 나요.
It doesn't feel like a school uniform, wearing like this.
Para kang magka-cutting class, yung parang, diba?
좀 이러고 있으면 좀 불량한 학생 같지 않아요?
I feel like a bad student if I do like this, right?
Exactly. Yung mambubuli, ganyan. Which is so far from, what you are and any of the characters, of course. But yes, let's give him a round of applause, guys. I was not expecting him to actually put on that uniform. And thank you so much for showing us, bits and pieces of your props and your clothing on the show. Okay, yes, let's move over here now.
I'm actually feeling a bit hot right now, so.
Yes. We second the motion.
조금 이따가 입도록 하겠습니다.
I'll just wear this later, okay?
Okay lang sa amin yun. Okay, sige.
이게 여러분들 열기 때문에 여기 덥네요 지금.
Because of your heat, it's getting hot in here.
Thank you so much. Ayan, parang yung isang gesture lang na ganyan, para ka ng supermodel. Okay, anyway, alright. So, we're seated here now because we want to move on to our next segment, which is called Our Time.
다 못 입어서 이렇게 또 교복을 입고 있는 사진을 준비해봤고요.
You know, because I could not wear each of the uniform, I prepared a photo that I'm actually wearing a uniform.
여러분도 아시다시피 최승효 촬영할 때 최승효입니다.
So this is in the drama Love Next Door, Choi Sing-hyo, actor.
So did you take this on set while you were filming? On set. Yes.
예, 여기는 촬영장이고 세트는 아니고 실제로 고등학교였어요.
So this is a shooting place, and this is actually a high school in Korea.
I see, okay. I mean, you look like you fit right in. You could really be a student in the school. But yes, thank you for documenting you in that uniform. Behind you! Let's flip you. Oh, okay, it's a mission. Sa mga sumusunod, anong pelikula ang nais mong gampanan kasama ang isang Pilipinong aktor o aktres kung ito ay ma-remake sa Pilipinas? Is it Veteran 2? Is it Love Next Door? Is it One Sweet Night? Or Something in the Rain?
저는
I would like to go with number 1.
Number 1, Veteran 2. Sean, alright. Lipat-lipat ng pwesto mula kanan sa gitna at kaliwa at magpadala ng mga puso na iba't ibang estilo ng patuloy na ang lalim naman ng Tagalog. Naintindihan ka ba yan? Yes. The important thing is he understood it. Alright, so we're gonna do this for 5 seconds, 5 different kinds of hearts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, center please. Here we go, 5 different kinds of hearts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, to the left side. Here we go, we're counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
사람들도 다 똑같아. 삶은 유한하고 죽음은 필연적이고 모두가 같은 조건 속에서 살아간다고. 너가 아니면 거라고. 나는 신이 아니니까. 하지만 이거 하나만큼은 확실하게 말할 수 있어. 나 너랑 살고 싶어.
Okay, so part of this segment is a section, I suppose, that we can call Love Next Door, popular scene, popular line. So we're gonna watch a video, but
근데 지금 다시 봐도 참 얼굴이 빨갛네요.
You know, looking at this scene again, you know, I'm blushing so hard.
네, 술 취한 연기는 참 어려운 것 같습니다.
I guess it is really hard to act like drunk.
would you drink in real life, yes?
비밀이에요.
It's a secret.
Okay. Alright. So, but you know, I mean, obviously we love that scene. Kinilig tayong lahat, listening to that and watching that all over again. What we would like for you to do with that scene is, of course, the last line is the nakakakilig line, which is, I want to live with you. So, can you do that in Filipino? And let's change the line to, I want to be with Hamis. Pero in Tagalog, in Filipino.
Kaya mo yan!
Gusto kong kasama kayo, Amy.
Is this correct?
One more.
Oh, one more.
Gusto kong kasama kayo, Amy.
Oh, naiiyak na siya, oh, in front, oh. But in fairness, you sound very, like you've lived by letter I.
네. 제가 되게 오랜 시간, 꽤 긴 시간 동안 지금 긴 머리를 유지하고 있는데, 그래도 짧은 머리에 배우 정혜인을 좋아해 주시는 분들이 있고, 또 혹시나 잊으셨을까봐 예전 사진을 준비해 왔습니다.
Though I'm actually maintaining a long hair for a long period of time already, but there are also my fans who are actually loving my short hair, and some of you guys have asked already, so I actually brought this photo for you guys.
Who's team long hair?
Do I look better in short hair?
The Hanis in Manila have spoken. Alright? Okay?
Yay, Pogi!
Kasi lalaki, no? Pag short hair.
짧은 머리?
Oh, another scene!
Madaya yung isa dyan, di pinasa.
그때쯤이면
Manira talaga ng
대장님한테
friendship,
고백을
no?
했겠지. 아 진짜 미쳤나 봐.
Oh, baliw ka talaga dyan.
아.
It was such a cute and funny scene. When you watch this now, how do you feel? What are you thinking?
저 장면 찍을 때 지금도 기억나는 게, 되게 원맨쇼 같아서 혼자 하는데 되게 좀 외롭다. 네. 되게 어렵구나, 혼자 연기하는 게, 이 생각이 들었습니다.
Seeing this scene again, what I can recall is that because I was alone in the set, and I had to feel or do everything alone. So what I actually felt was like doing this kind of one-man show. I feel like lonely.
Do you want a hug?
우리가 이겼어요. 우리가 폭죽을 이겼어.
We actually want the fireworks over there.
I think so, yes. We definitely beat the fireworks outside.
간만에 고음 올라가니까 힘드네요.
Making this high pitch, it actually tires me already. First of all, I miss you guys so much.
오늘 여러분들이 저를 바라보면서 웃으시는 그 미소, 한 분 한 분 너무 다 잘 보이거든요.
And I can actually see each and every one of you smiling while looking at me.
저희 2층에 계신 분들도 너무 잘 보여요. 그래서
I love you!
여기 와주신 여러분들 한 분 한 분 눈에 최대한 많이 담아가도록 하겠습니다.
You know, I'll try my best to keep you guys in my eyes as well as much as I can.
오늘 우리 우리들의 시간, our time 재밌게 한번 만들어봐요.
Let's make our time fun, okay?
All right. You know, he really said he can see everyone. Please. Oh. Okay, we have a photo. All right.
이 사진은 제가 스노우보드 타는 걸 좋아하는데
For this photo, I actually love snowboarding.
제가 제 취미에 대해서는 잘 얘기한 적이 없는 것 같아서 골프 말고는.
So, because I never expressed about my hobby before, you know, aside from golf.
저는 스키보다는 보드를 훨씬 더 좋아하고요. 잘 탑니다.
You know, instead of skiing, you know, I love snowboarding very much, and I'm very good at it as well.
어디 타는 걸요?
You want to see me snowboarding?
아니 여기
Kayo naman, oh. Ayan, okay. This is what he looks like.
Something like this.
Did you catch that though, that line?
슬립 가나 마할 거. 슬립 가나 마할 거.
I don't know about sleep. Gusto kong mahimatay.
네. Pwede ba kitang maging girlfriend? Pwede ba kitang maging girlfriend?
Meron ka ba?
Sagutin mo na ako! Ayun na ba?
Yes. 너무 간지럽네요.
Parang kilig ako ngayon.
Sagutin mo na ako, tayo na ba? Sagutin mo na ako, tayo na ba?
Gosh! Habang hair natin, guys, ha? Oo, see, jumping.
So, Hades.
All right, ending on a sweet note, of course. Merry Christmas to all of you. This is the best Christmas gift, isn't it? To spend all this time with Chongping. Okay, so the reason... Okay, rinig na rinig, ha? Okay, Chongping himself sings "Sleep Ka Na Mahal Ko." Who is taking this home today? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, if you would like to draw, please, one person. VIP! VIP 18! Seat number 1. VIP row 18, seat number 1.
Wala!
Ayan, congratulations! Congratulations! Ay! Can you stay with us? intro natin. 24
Mic check. Mic check.
I love you, Hayin!
저 많은 별을 다 세어보아도 그대 마음은 헤아릴 수 없어요. 그대의 부서진 마음 조각들이 차갑게 흩어져 있는 탓에 그대 나의 어떤 모습들을 그리도 깊게 사랑했나요? 이제 내가 해줄 수 있는 건 좋은 밤 좋은 꿈 안녕. 좋은 밤 좋은 꿈 안녕. 세월의 서늘한 공기 속에도 장미향을 난 느낄 수가 있죠. 5월 어느 날에 피었던 빨갛던 밤을 기억하거든요. 그대 나의 어떤 모습들을 그리도 깊게 사랑했나요? 이제 내가 해줄 수 있는 건 좋은 밤 좋은 꿈 안녕. 까만 밤이 다 지나고 나면 이야기는 사라질 테지만 이름 모를 어떤 뽕말처럼 그대 곁에 남아있을게요. 나는 그대 어떤 모습들을 그리도 깊게 사랑했었나. 이제 내가 해줄 수 있는 건 좋은 밤 좋은 꿈 안녕. In my arms, so let me hold you. I'll never let you go again, like I did. Oh, I used to say I'll never fall in love again until I find. Georgia. Pull me in, I asked to love her. Once again you feel like culture. I never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's true I'm falling too. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I will never fall unless it's true I'm falling too. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found
Two balls will hit each other, up and down. Tama. You teach him? Raffle, i-raffle natin. Do you wanna try? Ayan, yes, yes. Oh! Ay. Okay, that's not how.
제가 아까 리허설 연습을 해봤는데
During the rehearsal, I actually had a practice.
Oh!
공이 되게 딱딱해요.
The balls are actually very hard.
Okay.
네, 너무 아파요. 세 번 중 한 번 성공하면 되는 거예요.
So I just need to make one shot among the 3 chances.
You know what? Yes, fine. We can do 3 chances. And yes, if you can make it hit successfully 1 out of the 3 times, then we'll count that as a success. Just tell us. That was 1 time. Oh, pwede na yun. Pwede na yun. Pero practice yun eh. Ay, masasaktan daw kasi. Nasasaktan yung mga Hades, guys. Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
아파요.
It hurts actually.
Oh my gosh. Our hearts are breaking right now. I don't think they want you to do it. But... Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that was like a mega successful run. They're okay with that, but do you want to do this as your official entry to our game? Official na ha? Official. Tumama naman eh. But you know, that's okay. Diba pwede? Can stacking game. Of course, your character in Love Next Door, you're an architect at a firm called Atelier Inn. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we have these 5 different cans. The characters that you've played are on the can. So let's go through them one by one. We have Sojuni from Something in the Rain. Yujiho from One Spring Night. Anjunho from DP. Park Sonu from Veteran 2. Okay, and the last one is, of course, Chesunyo from Love Next Door. Yan. Okay, timer starts now. Okay. Yes, go. Your timer's running. Okay. 22 seconds. Magsalita na po tayong lahat. Sige. Tama ba? Tama? Tama? No! Ay, nako, wala nang time. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's check. Alright, so we have the one on top is correct. Now you have your first favorite Filipino dessert. Is mais con hielo. Okay. Okay, we have to make the other ones too. But I'm so glad you like it. Okay, you like it, let's make some more. And then we can choose 2 of your lucky fans to come up here on stage and
Dapat mag-ano tayo, yung we love you. Tayo lahat. May sabay.
Every teardrop, joy you share. I love you means I'll always be. With hands entwined, through time we'll move in perfect rhythm, and all love grew. I love you and echoes under the moon's glow. In the eye of you, our love will only grow. Welcome back to me.
따뜻한 마음은 저희가 나눌수록 더 배가 되고 커지니까 존중하고 사랑합니다. 존중하고 사랑합니다.
Of course, we couldn't send you off with a fan video as well. Love your Philippine Hamies. Nice job, guys. All right.
진짜 감동이에요.
I'm so touched right now.
한국에 있는 동안 참 여러분끼리 좋은 일도 즐거운 일도 많이 했네요, 같이.
You know, during the times that I was in Korea, you guys were able to do great things and fun things together.
Yes!
너무 멋있어요. 그리고 저 촬영할 때도 여러분들이 한 분 한 분 모아서 보내주신 간식 서포트나 커피도 너무 맛있게 먹었었어요. 아까 그 사진이 잠깐 나왔는데 매번 작품 할 때마다 그렇게 서포트 해주셔서 진짜 진심으로 감사드립니다.
You guys are so cool, and also, you know, every time there's a shooting, I actually remember the snacks and coffees that actually you guys send us abroad, even though you guys are far from me. So I actually appreciate every bit of efforts and love from you guys.
beautiful. Thank you so much for that.
우리 그거 플래시 시켜서 찍을까요?
Shall we turn on the cell phone
어,
flash and take
혜인
the photo together?
이런 있으실 분들은 그거 들어도 좋아요.
For those who actually has the Hainey's light stick, you can actually raise it too.
네,
Alright.
플래시 켜주셔도 돼요.
Yes, please turn on the flash, your cell phone flash.
Beautiful. Okay.
감사합니다.
Thank you so much.
해도 돼요? 뭐 아무렇게 불러주셔도 돼요.
You know, if you're not sure about the melody or the song, you can just, humming with me.
작년에는 널 사랑하겠어로 다 같이 불렀던 기억이 나는데
You know, I kind of recall last year where we actually sang together that I Will Love You song.
기억해요 그 노래?
Do you guys remember the song?
널 사랑하겠어 언제까지나 널 사랑 못하네.
I guess you guys don't remember it.
자, 마지막 곡 시작 여러분들께 들려드리겠습니다.
So let me perform my last song for you guys.
아.
Ilaw na naman! Kanina pa yung ilaw! Hindi na nga kami napila!
오직 너만을 생각한 밤이 있었어 내가 정말 왜 이러는 건지 아무래도 니는 너무 좋아진 게 아닐까 이게 바로 사랑인가 봐 처음 본 순간 나는 느꼈어 내가 기다리던 사람이 바로 너란 걸난 내게 말하고 싶어 너를 사랑하고 있다고 그 모든 것을 내게 주고 싶다고 어떻게 해야 내 마음을 알겠니 네가 나의 전부라는 걸 나의 마음을 너에게 보여주기가 이렇게도 어려운 줄 몰랐어 너를 위한 생각에 그렇게 많은 날들이 힘들게만 느껴진 거야 처음 본 순간 나는 느꼈어 내가 기다리던 사람이 바로 너란 걸난 내게 말하고 싶어 너를 사랑하고 있다고 모든 것을 내게 주고 싶다고 어떻게 해야 내 마음을 알겠니 네가 나의
Walang umuwi!
우리 또 만나요.
Ayaw lang umuwi!
See you next time. You Canadians. I love you all.
Watching the
konting bilis tayo, be. Konting bilis tayo.
So let me check. Those who are seated there, are you guys comfortable? Yes? All waiting for these guys to finish. May touch na tayo. Okay? Para pag-akit natin sa stage.
Ma'am, atras po kayo. Daan ng po. Magkaya mo dun. Nasa kabila. Grabe naman yung nasa ano na yun. Ayaw nyo kasi makikinig. Oh, di pa din tuwan-tuwa yung nandun sa kabilang side. Oh, ayaw nyo makikinig eh. Adjust na, tatama po kayo. Adjust. Ma'am, tutulakan sa amin. Adjust na po kasi hindi po kayo mananalo sa tulakan.
Kuya, nag-a-adjust kami pero wala na kaming maitulak sa likod.
Ayos ka na. Walang gagalaw. Hindi na ka pwede magagalaw mo. Dusad pa, usad! Dusad! Walang dadaanan. Huwag ka, walang maayon ha.
Opo, dito lang kami. Nakapigil na kami.
Go, go, go!